Hey guys, today's our topic is Stressen's matrix multiplication. So before going to Stressen's matrix multiplication, first we'll see what is matrix multiplication. So here we have taken two matrices A11, A12, A21, A22, all 2 by 2 matrices B11, B2, B12, B21, B22, and the resultant will be C11, C12, C21, C22. So ఎలా వస్తుంది రిజల్టెంట్ అని అంటే సో C11 will come from మన నార్మల్ మ్యాట్రిక్స్ మల్టిప్లికేషన్ A11 into B11 plus A12 into B21. Likewise C12, C21 and C22. So this is the normal matrix multiplication. So coming to Stressen's matrix multiplication, we have to calculate these values P, Q, R, S, T, U, V. So ఎలా calculate చేయాలి అంటే so first we have to write 1 1 1 2 2 1 2 2 and we have to remember this one. This is very important. BAB, B A A B 1 1 1 1 2 2 2 2. So this is the fixed value. B A A B రాసుకోవాలి. First two 1 1s, next two 2 2s. Next. So P value, Q value ఏమో as it is వచ్చేస్తుంది మనకి. So P value ఎలా calculate చేయాలి అని అంటే diagonals of each and every matrix are added. So diagonal means A11, A22, A11 plus A22 and B11 plus B22. Right? So now Q, R, S, T values. So Q value from in this direction, left to right, and R value from right, top to bottom, and T value from left to right, and S value from bottom to top. So మనం left to right తీసుకున్నప్పుడు ఏం వాల్యూ తీసుకోవాలి అని అంటే అడిషన్ సింబల్ తీసుకోవాలి, and top to bottom or bottom to top we have to take minus symbol. So now we'll write for QRST. So QRST ki we have to take BAAB and 1 1 1 1 2 2 2 2. Same right as it is 1 1 1 1 2 2 2. Now so ఇక్కడ B value ఉంటే inside we have to repeat A value. If A value is there we have to write B value. So Q value ఏంటి ఇక్కడ? So Q value from left to right 2 1 2 2. So B ఉంది కాబట్టి inside A value రాయాలి A. So A21 A22 A21 A22 and we have to consider plus like this, and R. So R already A11 రాసాం. So A11 ఉంటే within the braces we have to write B value. So A11 R value ఏంటి? Top to bottom. So top to bottom ఉంటే we have to take negative symbol and B12 B12 minus B22. Next A22 value. So outside it is A value, and next we have to write inside B value, and S is from bottom to top. So bottom to top means negative. So bottom to top means 2 1 1 1. So B21 and B11 in between minus, and next T value. So T value from left to right, that means addition, and B here. So that's why inside we have to take A value A11 A12 A11 A12, and the value is plus, and the symbol is plus. Next UV. So U will come from the combination of S and T, and V will come from the combination of Q and R. So U value, so ikkada we have a simple logic U value ki. So inside values తీసుకోవాలి. inside values తీసుకొని B ఉంటే A రాయాలి, A ఉంటే B రాయాలి. simple logic. So U. So S లో ఏంటి inside ఉంది B21 B11. So B is replaced with A, like A21 minus A11. Next, so here A is replaced with B, B11 plus B12. So likewise V. So V value is from Q and R inner braces. So A21 A22 ఉంది. So A is replaced with B, B21 B22. So B12 B22. So B is replaced with A, A12 and A22. So this is the calculating P, Q, R, S, T, U, V. Now we have to write the formulas for C11, C12, C21, C22. That means the resultant matrix. So first remember C12 as rat, R addition T. Addition symbol is plus. So R plus T. So next coming to C21. So C21, so R ki 1 decrement cheyandi. So R kanna mundu వచ్చే letter ఏంటి? Q. R before letter is Q. So T kanna mundu S. So Q and S. So Q plus S is C21. C12 is equals to R plus T. Now C11 C22 will be very tricky. ఒకసారి జాగ్రత్తగా చూడండి. So P రెండిటికి P రాసుకోవాలి. P and P and write plus. So here first one is R and the diagonal elements. First one is R, second one is S. So S పైన రాయాలి and R కింద రాయాలి. S and R. Next you have to write minus. Next symbol you have to write minus symbol. Next C11 Q in C22. Next మిగిలిన రిమైనింగ్ సింబల్స్ ఏమున్నాయి, PQRST వచ్చేసాయి. అండ్ రిమైనింగ్ సింబల్స్ ఆర్ U and V. U is written in C22 and V is written in C11 with addition symbol. So this is writing the logic for C11, C12, C21, C22. So this is nothing but the principle of Stressen's matrix multiplication.